All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can double your account in just 4 trading cycles, therefore reducing your exposure to the market. My name is David with Binary Masterclass, and welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, so as we get into the trading here, and before we start the trading, today you can see I started with about $1,100 in my account. Yesterday, I began with $1, just wanted to start small. I made $131, but I did take a decent sized loss earlier in the session that it took me a while to recover from. Today, I wanted to try it differently. I wanted to expose myself to the market as little as possible, meaning I wanted to get in and out of trading with as few of trading cycles as possible. And so I did start with a higher first entry size than I normally would for an account of this size. But I figured, let's get in and out in a few trades, just see what we can do. And the market seemed to be responding reasonably at this point. At least a number of currencies were, a few were definitely trending. And so here we go. Let's see what happened. Let's trading here. And I do start off on franc yen. That did actually hit a decent resistance. I normally don't love franc yen, and actually I did not take a good spot on this one. I was actually very disappointed with my first entry, but it does end up moving beyond that resistance anyways, and so a properly placed first entry probably would have lost regardless. So I am waiting for an opportunity for a second here. Over to Aussie franc, just searching around, see what we can find. Aussie franc is trying to get up to a resistance level, but it is actually just about there. I actually look to maybe take my second on Aussie franc if it can give me that resistance, and it is there. Do I like it? No, it does push through. I take the wick through on Aussie franc. It wicked through that resistance, which is oftentimes a good spot because sometimes a currency will wick through a resistance level and then battle at that level. So it does come back to my money. I do take a third on it, and it does come down nicely into the money. I do win that second entry, and now I have a third entry on this one. So this first trading cycle of the day, guys, is actually probably going to turn out really well. So guys, here in one trading cycle, I have made about 50% on my account. So very happy about that. It looks like I'll be able to get in and out hopefully sooner than what I even originally planned. So we're looking for our second setup here, scanning the boards, and I do take that bump on Euro USD, put in a nice bump up to that second resistance level. And guys, there's some energy in the market going on right now. It actually gets to 2 just about on the scale, and I do take the second entry at that next resistance. I'm trading this one exactly like I should be trading it. I took my first at the first level of resistance. I took my second entry at that second level, and it was over 2 on the value chart. And I do get that second entry win. So guys, we're already up about $850 on the day after 2 trading cycles. So looking around for our next opportunity to trade. I'm watching this Aussie franc to see if it'll get me down to that support level. I don't know if it's going to get there. It's in a green right now. Looking over at franc yen, possibly. I think I missed that opportunity. Euro USD is putting in a big drop. I would like Euro USD at that support if it can get down there. It's trying. It's at a previous level of wicks right now, but I don't want to take this one early. So just waiting on Euro USD to see if it can get me there. It did put in a green, which I don't love, but I still would like it. And there we go. It wicked through that bottom area. Do I like it enough? No, I'm waiting, and it's pushing through. So that definitely makes me reconsider Euro USD. It's well over -2 on the value chart, which is generally a strong spot though. Okay, so actually I did take Frank Yen at that support, that very bottom support. And it actually did come off of that support decently. Well into the money on Frank Yen. Okay, there is a Frank Yen win. Third win of the day puts me just 8 cents below $2,000. Let's see if we can get one more entry in. Okay, so I take Euro USD at that resistance, or it just came off, but it doesn't matter. It's moving well beyond it again anyway. And again, it is just about at 2 at the value chart. It is at that next level where I do take my second, again, probably where I should have, but it is not yet responding. So now I have a decision to make. What do I do here? Is it going to come down and give me a second entry win, or do I need to place a third? I have my third entry ready, and my second does lose, and I do take a third. It just looks like it's starting to get heavy. I can see some of the other corresponding currencies that have already made their move down. I really wish I was toward the top of that range, though. I wish I would not have waited to the bottom of that range. It does break through that area, though, and does move nicely down to the money. So, guys, there is 4 wins. I doubled my... made over $1,000, about $1,150 in only 4 trading cycles. I'm out of the market. I'm done trading for the day. And that is how you can double your account while maintaining good, disciplined money management and not expose yourself to unnecessary amounts of trading cycles. All right, guys, so if you like this video and if you'd like to see more binary options related content, please remember, click like on the video. That really does help. Add comments below, subscribe to the channel. And guys, if you'd like to join us in the trading room, we always have promotions going on. And guys, our premium trading session in which these wins were actually taken is available to you. And if you do join as a premium member, you do get access to all 3 of our daily trading rooms. We trade live with you 3 times a day. And guys, we had a great session today. Our premium session was fantastic. One of our 2 basic sessions was fantastic as well. The other one, the market was moving a bit, so we didn't trade a whole lot, but click the link in the description below and we will see you in the trading room.